I gotta start getting this content out quicker. This shit ain't fast enough.
She thought she was fucking on the boss, but that nigga lied.
That's crazy.
Bells, nigga, backseat. I don't need no driver, this the test shit. The way I bought my shit, you better hide your hoe.
I'ma do it. Yeah. Ski. Looking at what's going on, YouTube? I am Reaping. I'm back with another video. I'm in my damn, I was talking fast as hell. So today I'm gonna do a little pod for y'all. I'm on the way back home from a little function I was at, so I was like, why not turn on the camera and do a little, you know, do a little pod for you. Where the fuck my phone at? I was like, why not just do a little pod video for y'all and just push something out, so you know I'm staying consistent. And then I got some big shit planned for y'all. I ain't gonna say too much, but bro, I'm ready for that shit. Anyway, I'm gonna get to it. I'll probably leave y'all mounted up like this so y'all can talk to me and face it towards the road. And you know, I'll get a little bit of angles for y'all. I'm currently in an apartment complex. This car is loud as fuck. Like, the camera don't do it no justice with how loud this shit really is. I don't even got my fucking mic on the camera. I hope y'all can hear me well. I'm not finna plug it up. I'm not vlogging, so anyway, yeah. I hope y'all having a good ass day, night, whatever. Whenever y'all watch this, y'all niggas stay locked in every day, cause life is crazy, and that shit will leave your ass behind if you fall asleep for 1 second. Like, for real, y'all niggas lock in. I don't mean to get motivational, but man, this life shit crazy. If you don't stay on your shit, you gonna get left behind. All that partying shit, all that, you feel me? That shit cool every once in a while, but make sure you earning it. You earning to get out. You earning to get out the house. Other than that, you can get your ass to work, learn something new. There's so much money out here to be made. Like, if you ain't trying, damn, if you ain't trying to make some money with the way this day and age everybody getting paid, you're tweaking. You're literally tweaking. So y'all just learn some knowledge, like anything, fucking equity, funds, whatever, crypto, real estate, trading, anything. There's so much shit out here. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to the video. None of this shit matters if none of y'all niggas really locked in and trying to listen to this shit. I'm gonna just give y'all what y'all came here for, and that was the pod. So yeah, damn, it's been a long ass day for me though, but y'all don't give a fuck, so we gonna get to it. And I do got that shit on. Ugh. Damn, I ain't taking this shit off. But I got, what are these called? What's the pants called that go over your shoe? They a little loose or whatever, but they black. Ugh. They hard. Then I had the Forces on. I got slides on now because I don't drive with my Forces on. I don't do that. I can't risk it. I can't risk it. I literally got 3 pairs of Forces. None of them bitches is creased, but one is a little yellowed out because of how long I've had them. They hard as fuck though. Like, they not creased. That's what I mean by hard as fuck. What the fuck? That don't even make sense. I gotta get some more. I really just ordered like hella Forces though, just different colors. I'm a Forces type of nigga. I used to be a Yeezy nigga, but I'm falling off that one. But yeah, I'm a Forces type of nigga for sure. Ew. Damn, I done fucked these up. See, I never wear jeans and shit because I live in Florida. But look at that shit. Can y'all see that shit? This shit black from my jeans. Fuck. It's okay. I need another pair anyway, I guess. That shit crazy. It's okay. They're just shoes. They're materialistic. You can get more pairs. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna go to Wawa and just chill and eat, but I really need to get home. It's literally, look at this shit, y'all. So y'all don't think I'm out this bitch tweaking and just talking. It's 5:07, y'all. I don't even be out like this. I don't do that. I don't even be outside like that. I don't even be outside like that, twin.
The shit they did out there.
Bro, when y'all going through an apartment complex, or I don't know how the fuck to explain this. Okay, so I'm going through an apartment complex right now, right? My car loud as fuck. If you're living in a apartment complex, would you rather the car try to be quiet, even though they're fucking not, like what I'm doing now? Or would you rather them just get the fuck out of the neighborhood or the apartment complex as soon as possible? Like, just you get the fuck out. Like, even though it might be loud as shit. Like, what y'all would rather have niggas do? Cause, bro, I'm so sorry. Fuck, this bitch is crazy. Like, it's crazy. I got niggas waking up at 5 o'clock for sure. Get your ass up, twin. They mad as shit, boy. If anybody woke up, they mad as fucking my ass. Bro, there was a takeover tonight. I don't even be on that though, but damn, I thought shit was gonna be hot. Y'all know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, I don't know if it was hot, but I was low-key in the area and I ain't see no, oh my god, fucking police. Looking at, I ain't scared of his, oh no, he turning around. The nigga said my exhaust was unlawful. I ain't never been pulled over for my exhaust being unlawful before, ever. And I had a G8 before this that was straight pipe too, just like this one. But never had no problems with that car. That one was literally pitch fucking black, like 5% on 5%, like zero. Like, it was crazy. And this one, I don't know. It was tinted like this when I got it. But this shit probably 10, maybe. It could be 5. But moral of the story, like, damn, my back itching. My other G8, even if you did this up to the window, nigga, you could not see nothing in my car. You couldn't. That shit was fucking crazy. So when they come to driving in this one, like, I can see anything. Niggas used to hop in my whip and be like, damn, Leak. My name Malik, if y'all ain't know that. Leak, Malik, Reap, whatever you want to call me. That shit was dark as shit, though. Darkest 10 I ever seen on the whip. My shit. Yo. That shit ain't no flex. What the fuck? Keep y'all shit legal, kids, or kinda legal, to where y'all just won't get pulled over for it. You know what I'm saying? Even though they be on bullshit anyway. Like, alright, another thing. So, I'm looking to get another car, alright? Alright, so what I was saying, I'm trying to get another car, right, next. But I want to hear y'all thoughts on a C7 Z06 or a Hellcat. What would you rather have, and what would you rather see, like, content wise? Which car would you rather watch on YouTube or something? And then, so yeah, those two things that I want to know what you think would do better content wise, not what you would rather make. Damn. Okay, hold on. Let me rephrase. let me know what you would rather make content with, what you would rather have, and what you think would do better content wise. So coming from me today, how I feel, cause shit be switching up. Should be switching up for me. Some days I'll be like, damn, I want a cat. Some days I'll be like, damn, I want a Z06, nigga. But yeah, I don't know. So today I'm feeling that Z06. So if I were to go Z06, it would be different. You know what I'm saying? It's a very broad YouTube space who has like Z06s and making content with them compared to Hellcats. And that would be my reason. But I feel like having a cat is just easier for content. Like, I don't know. Maybe having a vet could get you through more doors. I am rubbing so fucking bad, it don't make no sense, gang. Oh my god. That shit be fucking me up. But guess what? A nigga ordered coilovers. So I'm in the game, you know what I'm saying? Shit, I might be sliding soon. I've been itching too. Oof. I've been itching. February 28th, there's a pit, Jacksonville pit, and there's a Miami pit. Let me not say that, because it's not really in Miami. It's not. It's like outside of Miami. Like very northeastern, or northwestern. Some shit just dropped while I'm tripping. Jack's pit, Miami pit. Jack's pit, Miami pit. I'm kind of leaning towards Miami pit because I got a boy like down there who said he'd slide to that hole. So automatic off rip, I got a nigga to go with. You know what I'm saying? And hold my camera. You know what I'm saying? I got a nigga to do that with, or that would hold my camera and make sure I get those videos, you know what I'm saying? Because we ain't burning tires for no reason. If I'm doing anything with this car, I have this camera on. I do got a second car. I got a second car that I use for everything else. Good on gas, Ford Focus, bam. This shit only gets cut on during the weekends. I promise you. Maybe a special fucking occasions. Like, what's today, bro? Today is Friday. I had some shit just to go to. I didn't even have to bring this, but I just wanted to drive it and kind of make a video if I could. And that's kind of what I'm doing now, so, yep. Tomorrow, Saturday, we'll see. I might be fucking chilling tomorrow editing. I don't be taking this car nowhere. This shit's straight fun. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Who is you?
We get shit touched from Detroit to West Memphis. I got millions, still selling fake perks to the grim. I got millions. You know about operating the clock and make the switch reveals. Give his fucking make a screw. Take her panties off, I seen a pad. What the fuck is the 100 sticks? I love my plug so much, I let him fuck my bitch.
Hell no, niggas.
It's a bag. People depending on his leadership skill, nigga.
Back here for him. Put this fuck in a strip club.
Ran out of one, start throwing hundreds. Thought it passed me that Drake. I ain't finna do this video no more. This shit ass as hell.
Whole time I'm the snake. Smell this from like 3 miles away. He can't